Hi, welcome back to Learn Phonics with Mommy T. I'm going to talk to you about how to teach your child to blend three letters or three phonemes in words. Teaching them the CVC pattern or consonant, vowel, consonant. In my most recent blog, I talk about how to blend two phonemes or two letters together. That is the two basic blend which I discussed, the vowel consonant and vowel. That is the most important basic blend to teach your child before teaching him or her with three letter or three phoneme blends. After giving your child a lot of practice on how to blend two sounds or two phonemes together, and they master how to blend this, and the blending is automatic, you can now proceed on how to teach three phonemes or three letters in words. Here's how to blend three letters or three phonemes. Ready? Here's how to blend three letters or blend three phonemes in words. First thing is you have to identify the individual sounds. Like in this word, man. The sound of M is M. The sound of this letter is A. The short sound of A is A, and the sound of this is N. So identify first the individual sound. M, A, N. After identifying the individual sound or saying the individual sound, M, A, N. Stretch out now the individual sound. M, A, N, M, A, N. Then sound out the sounds together. Man, man. Then say the word or say it fast. Man, man, man. So, first, say the individual sound, stretching out the sound, then sounding out the sound, then say it a little faster, then say the word. That's how to teach your child on how to read or blend three letters together. By the way, some sounds cannot be stretched, like the sound of B, D, G, T. When you hear the little sound of O at the end. So those are examples of sounds which cannot be stretched for long, or which cannot be stretched. So I'll give you more examples of these three letter blends. Here's example. This sound is S. This one is A. This one is D. Then stretch out the sound. This one, the sound of letter D. This one is an example of the sound which cannot be stretched out. But these two can be. This one is S, A, D. Then sound out these sounds together. Sad, sad, sad. Another example with the short vowel sound. This word. This sound is r, a, n. Stretching out the sound. R, a, n. Then sounding it out. R, a, n. Again, sounding it out together. R, a, n. Again, sounding out the sound together. R, a, n. R, a, n. Ran. Another example. Say the individual sound or say this sound. D, a, Then stretch out. D, a, Then blend the sound or sounding out together. D, am. D, am. Say it fast. Dam. More examples, this time with the short E sound. Identifying individual sound. L, e, g. Sounding it out or stretching it out. Leg, leg, leg. Another example with the short E sound. R, e, d. Red, red, red. M, e, n. Man, man, man. Another example. T, e, n. Now we're going to stretch out and sounding out this sound. T, n. T, n. 10. E, t, pet, pet. Next, j, e, t, duet, duet. Say it fast. Duet, jet. This time, example with a short I sound. D, e, m. D, e, m. D, e, m. Say it fast. Dim. Next, b, e, g. Now we're going stretch out and sounding out this together. Big, big, big. Wo, e, n. Win, win. Another one. E, n. Stretching out and sounding out together. Fin, fin, fin. K, e, d. kid. This time, examples with the short O sound. J, O, B. Job. Job. Say it fast. Job. L, O, G. Log. Log. T, O, P. Stretching out and sounding out together. Top. 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 O, P. Mop. 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 Now this time with the short U sound. S, O, N. Son. Sun. O, G. Mog. Mug. Mug. More examples with the short U sound. G, O, N. Gun. Gun. R, O, G. Rog. Rug. O, N. Fun. Fun. G, O, M. Gum. Gum. B, O, D. Bud. Bud. Give your child lots of practice with these three-letter blends or these CVC words. Give at least a week or more of practice with this until the blending is automatic. So that's it for now. Hope you like this video and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.